Welcome student, welcome to Poor Academy. I am Ashish. Today we will discuss MCQ on matrix and determinant part 1. I have already made 4 videos on matrix. You first view those videos, then you will be able to understand and answer all the MCQ easily. I will mainly discuss on MCQ, and total MCQ problem will be divided into 4 videos, part 1, part 2, 3 and 4. I hope you will enjoy those videos and to be a master on MCQ on matrix and determinants. I hope you have to see, you have to watch all the 4 videos, then all the MCQ problems on matrix and determinant will be very easy for your exam purpose. Let's start. First 4 problems on MCQ on matrix and determinant. 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct answer for 1 is correct answer for A is C, and for 2 correct answer is B. For 3 correct answer is B, and for 4 correct answer is C. So the first one, the first one is A and B are symmetric matrices. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. Then चारटे ऑप्शन আছে, there are 4 options. AB symmetric, A minus B is Q symmetric, AB plus BA is symmetric, and AB minus BA is symmetric. তো কারেকশন হচ্ছে correct one হচ্ছে AB plus BA is symmetric. How will prove it? First, এটা যখন symmetric বা skew symmetric we have to prove, then আমি এর ট্রান্সপোজ নিয়ে নেব. I will take transpose of AB plus BA. So let's prove AB plus BA, its transpose. Its transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose equal to B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. এটা উল্টে যাবে, এটা উল্টে যাবে. Now since it is square, since it is symmetric, so B transpose equal to B and A transpose equal to A, plus A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. So I can write A plus B and B plus A is same. So BA plus AB is equal to AB plus BA. So if AB plus BA transpose is equal to AB plus BA, therefore it is symmetric matrix. So the answer. Number 2 says if 3 and x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3 and 6 plus 3 is symmetric matrix, then value of x. So value of x এটা পুছে দিই. So value of x, since this symmetric, so A equal to A transpose. So A transpose কি হচ্ছে? So we can write 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 2, this equal to its transpose. A transpose কি হবে? Row will be column 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3 and x plus 2. So comparing, you will find x minus 1 equal to 2x, x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 3. So x equal to minus 4. So B is the correct answer. Clear? Now number 3 says A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix A minus A transpose. तो A minus A transpose जो square matrix है, I know, you know, A plus A transpose equal to skew symmetric, is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose equal to skew symmetric. So it is direct answer. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Number 4, A is 1 minus 2, 2, 3. Additive inverse of A. Additive inverse মানে কি? Additive inverse মানে additive inverse means we have to first find the identity matrix, additive identity. So suppose A star A star তোমরা বাইনারি পড়োনি, ঠিক আছে? আমার এখানে there is A matrix. তো A matrix সঙ্গে we have to do some operation with A so that we get A again. So we have to we may add null matrix, zero matrix. If you add zero matrix, then A becomes A. So zero or null matrix is identity, additive identity. Additive is additive identity, not multiplicative identity. It is additive identity, null matrix. So we have derived O is the additive identity. So now we have to calculate inverse, additive inverse, so that we get null matrix. So what will be our operation? We have A, we want to null matrix. So A minus A becomes null matrix. So this is identity matrix we have arrived after some operation, minus operation. So A plus minus A equal to null matrix. So minus A is the additive inverse of A. So minus A is this, minus A equal to এগুলো সবই it will be each element will be multiplied by minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3. So C is the correct answer. Mind it is additive inverse, not multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse. Next 4 problems on MCQ on matrix and determinant. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You may try. For 5th, the correct answer is A. For 6, correct answer is B. And for 7, correct answer is A. And for 8, correct answer is also A. So let us solve one after another. A matrix is equal to 1 to x 0 0, B 1 minus 2 y 0 1 0 0 0 1. AB is equal to identity matrix of order 3, I3. So xy equal to 0. So let's solve AB. AB is equal to identity. So A matrix into B matrix. Suppose I am solving here A into B. So AB equal to, you see this row into this column. So first minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0 x into 0. So x plus y doesn't come. Something value will come. Next minus 1 into 1 into minus 2 and 2 into 1 and x into 0. So some value come, but x plus y is not here. Next 1 into x, so 1 into x, 1 into this 1 into y, 1 into y, sorry, 1 into y, then 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus x into 1 plus y. So we are not interested in other value because we have we got 1 into y, 2 into 0, 0, and x into 1, x. So already we got x plus y. So this is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So x plus y equal to 0. Comparing x plus y is equal to 0. So correct answer is 0. Next, A equal to this matrix. A square is equal to alpha beta beta alpha. Then value of alpha and beta. So first we have to calculate A square. A into A. There is space problem. A into A. So A square equal to A B B A into A B B A. So multiply A into A square, A into A plus B into this B plus B square. Then এটা হবে A into B, AB plus B into A plus AB, that means 2AB. Then B into A, AB, B into A plus A into B, 2AB. Then A into B into B, B square, A into A plus A square. So this equal to alpha beta beta alpha. So alpha equal to A square plus B square, comparing A square plus B square, and beta is equal to 2AB. Beta is equal to 2AB. So B is the correct answer. A equal to 1 3 3 4. A square is equal to minus KA minus 5A is equal to 0. Then K, value of K. We are interested in value of K. So A square, we have, there is A square. So A square is equal to A into A. 1 3 3 4 into 1 3 3 4. So A square equal to, you may calculate 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 10. So value gulo asbe 10, 15, 15, 25. A square. So I can take common 5, so I will take taking 5 common, 2, 3, 3, 5. This is A square. So Ka equal to, taking K this side, so A square minus 5A equal to Ka. So A square minus 5A, equal to 10, 15, 15, 25, multiplying by 5 each element, minus 5 minus I, so 5I equal to 5 0 0 5. This gives 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 0, 15, 15 minus 0, 15, 25 minus 5, 20. Taking common 5, 5, 1, 3, 3, 4. Now you see K into A 1, 3, 3, 4 equal to 5 into 1, 3, 3, 4. So comparing K is equal to 5. So K equal to 5. Next A equal to 1 to 2, 1 and Fx equal to 1 plus x, 1 minus x. So Fa equal to Fx equal to, I can say 1 plus x, 1 minus x means a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus x square. So Fa equal to 1 in place of 1 for matrix I will write identity matrix minus a square. So let's calculate a square. A square equal to 1, 2, 2, 1 into 1, 2, 2, 1. So a square gives the value 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5. You know how to multiply this row into this first column, then for second element this row into this, এইভাবে আসে, you know. So Fa equal to identity matrix, so 1 0 0 1 minus 5 4 4 5 equal to 1 minus 5, it gives minus 4, 0 minus 4 minus 4, 0 minus 4 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4. Taking minus 4 common, 1 1 1 1. So correct answer is A. Clear? Next for problem 9, 10, 11, 12. Due to space problem, I will solve first 10, 11, 12, then 9. So problem number 10, 4x minus 3y equal to 3 and 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Then the system of equation is consistent, inconsistent, homogeneous and none. So for it is not homogeneous, because for a homogeneous equation you will get equation like this: 4x minus 3y equal to 0, 3x minus 5y equal to 0, equal to 0 always there will be there. So it is not homogeneous. So the problem is non-consistent or inconsistent. So for consistent, we know the coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix will be formed taking the coefficient of x and y with sign. So coefficient matrix here is 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. This is the coefficient matrix: 4 minus 3, 3 and minus 5. If the coefficient date of the coefficient matrix, if we denote it by A, if date A is not equal to 0, then it is consistent. If it is equal to 0, then it is inconsistent. So let's calculate date A. Date A equal to date 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. So you know how to calculate date A. This into this minus this into this. So 4 into minus 5 minus 20 minus 3 into minus 3. That means minus 9, minus 9, that means plus 9 equal to minus 11. Again, this is coefficient matrix, and date of coefficient matrix if 0, then it is inconsistent for a system of equation. We know, you know the how to solve system of equation by matrix method. So it will be consistent if date of the coefficient matrix is not equal to 0, then it is consistent. So see, date A is equal to 4, date 4 into minus 20, and this is plus 9 minus 11. So it is not equal to 0. That means it is consistent. The correct answer is if. If it becomes 0, then it becomes inconsistent. So this is consistent. So 10 done. For 11, for a homogeneous system of equations may have infinitely many solutions if date of coefficient matrix is 0, 1, minus 1. So I have already discussed the nature of homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation would be like this: ax plus by equal to 0, cx plus dy equal to 0, like this. So here you will get always 0. So now you know how to solve equations unknown x, y, z. You can calculate using matrix method. So you use the method x equal to A inverse into B, or adjoint A by date A. This is A inverse into matrix B. B matrix is a matrix whose element is equal to the value which are equal. We see here the right hand side of the equation. So 0, 0. So if the matrix B matrix is 0, 0, so multiplying adjoint A into B, so in the numerator we will get always 0. Adjoint A into B, which of B is 0, 0 matrix, so multiplying we will get 0. And if date A is equal to 0, then the matrix X matrix means X and Y. That matrix X, it becomes 0 by 0 form, then it will have infinitely many solutions. For a homogeneous equation, adjoint A into B is always 0. And now if date A is equal to 0, then matrix X becomes 0 by 0 form. Then it will have infinitely many solutions. If it is have 0 by something, then its value would be 0. So for a homogeneous equation there are two solutions, either 0 or infinitely many solutions. For infinitely many solutions, date A must be 0. So here the option is date A, date of the coefficient matrix. This is coefficient matrix, date A is the coefficient matrix. A is A, B, C, D. Thus coefficient matrix, date of the coefficient must be 0. So A is the correct answer. Number B, if x to 18x equal to 6 to 18 6, then x is equal to. So apparently you think that x equal to is very easy, x equal to 6. If x is equal to c, you write it x equal to 6, then the answer is wrong. The correct answer is plus minus 6, that is C, option C. Why? Because it is not matrix. If it is matrix, then it is, you are right, x equal to 6. Here x equal to 6. But here is date A, this date determinant is equal to determinant. So we have to calculate the value. Then we have to calculate the value of x. So see, so what is the date? This date of this x square minus 36, x square minus 36 equal to here 36 minus 36, 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 36, x equal to plus minus 6. So option C is the correct answer. Clear? Now the 9 it will take some space, so I have attempted it at last. So what is, if A is equal to this, B is equal to this, then AB transpose is equal to, AB transpose is equal to B is the correct answer. Why? AB transpose, if you multiply A into B, then calculate transpose, it will take some time. So I will calculate it in a shortcut method. So A transpose B, AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. You know, AB transpose means B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose equal to BB, B transpose equal to 2 1 row, first 2 1 3 2 1 1. So this would be the B transpose. Row becomes column, row become column, row become column into A transpose. This is A. So first row becomes first column. 1 minus 2 1 2 1 3. So this is order 2 into column 3. This is row 3 column 2. So resultant matrix would be 2 by 2. So A transpose B, B transpose A, B transpose into A transpose would be 2 by 2. So I will not multiply. See the answers. So all are D. There is 10 is different. 10 is different. Or you can apply 2 also. That means this element. Please consider this element. So after multiplying the third element of the first row, so what would be its value? This one. So 2 into 2 4, 3 into 1 plus 3 plus 3 into 3. Yeah. That means it becomes I am not interested in this value. Third one 6 plus 4 10. So here you see 10 is there. All the answer I have observed, all the answer, only these elements are different. So I am interested in calculating this element. So this is 10. So B is the correct answer. So this is shortcut method. Next for problem 13, 14, 15 and 16. All problems, all MCQs are very good. So first is if ABC are in AP means arithmetic progression, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a, x plus 3 and such, its value is determinant of this is equal to. So using the property of determinant, first of all ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP means if A, B and C are in AP, then there is a relation A plus C equal to 2B. You know, you read it in class 9-10. So let's start. What I will do, let's see, 2 into R2 minus R1 and R3. So this second row would be 0. Elements of the second row would be 0. So R2 equal to 2R2 minus R1 minus R3. So what would be the determinant? First element x plus 2 as it is. So this would be 2x plus 6, 2x plus 6 minus x minus 2 minus x minus 4. That means 0. This is 0. I am doing it. 2x plus 6 minus x minus 2 minus x minus 4. So x cancelled. 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, 6 equals 0. So it becomes 0. So this is 0. X plus 4. Same thing, x plus 3, 0. X plus 5. Here x plus 2a. Here এখানে 0 হচ্ছে না, so multiplying 2x plus 4b minus this, so minus 2x minus 2a minus 2c, so 2x cancelled, so it remains minus 2a minus 2c plus 4b, and here it is x plus 2c. So look at the second element, this third element of the second row. It says 4b minus 2a minus 2c. So if I take common 2, so it will be 2b minus a minus c, and using this relation 2b is equal to a plus c. So if I put a plus c in place of 2b, so a and c cancel. So 2 into 0, that means 0. So this element is also 0. If entire row, all the elements of a row is 0, then det of the determinant value of this determinant is 0, because this is 0, this is 0, and since this relation they are in AP, this element is also 0. So all the three elements are 0 of the row 2. So data equal to D is the correct option. So data is equal to 0. Now if x 0 0, A is equal to A inverse is, what is the formula of A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by A data adjoint A. So adjoint A, how will calculate adjoint A? Adjoint A is equal to transpose of the cofactors, matrix of cofactors. So with sign, cofactors plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So with sign, let us calculate cofactors. First element, if I cover first row and first column, so it is yz. Yz minus 0 is yz. So yz. Next, this covering first column and second column and first row, 0 into z, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you will get 0. Here is also 0. Here it is also 0. Here that you see the first second row and second column, it is xz. Second column, if I cover second row and second column, so yxz minus 0, so it is plus xz, so it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0. And now see the here, so third column and third row remaining xy, so with xy. And what is date A? Date A equal to x into, if I calculate row wise, x into yz, x into yz minus 0, that means yz, plus 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. So date A is equal to x, y, z. So adjoint, and its, what is its transpose? Its transpose is also same, because it is a symmetric matrix. So this adjoint is equal to yz 0 0 0 xz 0 0 0 xy. After transposing, same. So what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by date A. Date A means x, y, z. So A inverse equal to 1 by x, y, z into adjoint of A. Adjoint of yz 0 0 0 xz 0 0 0 xy. So dividing by each element by x, y, z, we get, if I divide yz by x, y, z, it remains 1 by x. That means x to the power minus 1. 0 0 0 yz divided by x, y, z. So remains y. 1 by y. 1 by y means y to the power minus 1. 0 0 0 z to the power minus 1. So correct answer is A. X to the power minus 1, 0 0, y to the power minus 1, 0 0, and here 0 0, z to the power minus 1. So 14 is complete. This is a very good sum. Next, k is equal to if k0, 40 and 20 are the vertices of a triangle of area 4 square unit. Here the area of a triangle, how will calculate area? With the help of determinant. Area equal to half into the vertices, we will write vertices 0, k 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. And we'll add 1 1 1 in the third column. This equal to 4 square unit. So for area 4, but for calculation of k, I will write here plus minus 4, because if it is minus 4, then also we will take the positive value as area is positive. But for calculating k, we will take plus minus 4. So half is equal to this, or k 01 401 021 equal to plus minus 8. So let us solve now. Its determinant value k into 0 minus 2, that means minus 2k. 0 then 1 plus 1 into 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, that means 8. This equal to, we will take once plus 8 and once minus 8. So if I take plus 8, so 8 cancel, k is equal to 0. If I take minus 8, so minus 2k plus 8 equal to minus 8. So minus 2k equal to minus 16, minus minus cancel, so 8 is equal, k is equal to 8. So value of k is equal to either 0 or 8. So correct answer is A. A into adjoint A. Given that matrix A and date A is also given, you may also calculate date A is equal to 11. You will come 11. So what is A into A? A into adjoint A. This is a matrix. So if you calculate through proper process, it will take much time. But see, we know A inverse equal to 1 by date A into adjoint of A. If I pre-multiply both sides by A, so A into A inverse equal to A into adjoint of A by date A. So this is identity matrix. So I is equal to I and multiplying into date A, I into date A equal to A into adjoint of A. A into adjoint of A. So it is required A into adjoint A. So A into adjoint A is equal to I into A, date A. So I means here I identity matrix and date is 11. So it will be 11 into 100 0 1 0 1 0 0 or 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 multiplying by 11. So correct answer is A. Next two problems. These two problems are very important as well as tricky. So you see, x is a determinant. Its value are given A1 1. 1 means row 1, column 1. Row 1, column 2. So in this way there are 9 elements. And A, capital A and Ij indicate the cofactors of ith row and jth row, jth column. So A11, so A11, if A11 indicate the cofactors of the first element. Matrix of cofactors, if I make matrix of cofactors like A11, A12, A13, so this is the first cofactor of the first row and column intersection. So you must know that if an element and the corresponding cofactors are multiplied, then you will get the determinant date of the matrix X. I repeat, if I multiply each element of a determinant with the corresponding elements of the matrix of cofactors of the same row or same column. Suppose this element, the cofactor must be 1 1. If 1 2, cofactor must be 1 2. So I repeat again, if I multiply elements of a determinant with the corresponding elements of the matrix of cofactors of the same row or same column, then we will get date of the matrix, date X. If it is X, then it will be the date of date of X. So here you see there are different option is given. So date is equal to, we must observe that elements and cofactors must be of the same row and or same column. So here 2 1 1 1, no, it will not equal to date A. So this this also not true. 1 1 1 2 is not true. So D 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 2 1 2 1, 3 1 3 1. Yes, This is the correct answer. This is equal to det of x. So last, if it is a matrix, if it is a matrix, if I multiplied each element with the cofactors, of the different row or different row. If I take first row, then determine cofactors of the second row or third row, any one. If multiplied, then det of x equal to will be 0. So suppose this element and cofactors of a21, a small a 12 and cofactors of 22, capital A 22 plus 13 into cofactors of capital A 23, if multiplied we will get 0. So see here 1 1 and 2 1, 1 1 1 1, that means first element, first row, first column, and it is the cofactors of the second row, first column. That means different row but same place. One, this into cofactors of this. Let me explain. Suppose cofactor matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. If I multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, that will be det. This into this, this into this, this into this, det. This into this, this into this, this into this, in the middle plus, it will be det of the matrix. But if this one into this, plus this one into this, plus this one into this, or this one into this, this one into this, this one into this, then it will be 0. So here you see 1 1 into 2 1, this A12 into 2 2, this plus A13 into 2 3, this is equal to 0. So det equal, this equal to minus 1, no, 1, no, this equal to 0. So I have completed 18 MCQ on matrix, and I have to make more videos, at least 4 videos, to cover at least 70 MCQ, and then you will be able to master in solving MCQ on matrix. I hope you have understood it, and if you like this video, you share the video to your friends, relatives, for more and more circulation. Thank you very much for watching my video.